media posts, the holidays are portrayed as the happiest time of the year, but for so many, it is the opposite. Sad, stressful, maybe lonely. But there are ways to cope, and you do not have to suffer alone. Rachel Herp is from Forest View Hospital to help us handle all of our mental health during the holidays. Rachel, thanks so much for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
So let's talk about this misconception. I think, obviously everyone's like, yes, the holidays, but for so many people, this is a very hard time. Talk to us about that.
Yeah, so it's definitely can be a stressful time for a lot of people. There's many people struggling with a lot of different emotions, expectations, a perfect Hallmark holiday. But like you said, in reality, there's a lot of other challenges that we face. So it is very important that we take care of our mental health during this time.
Just some tips for people, you want to feel happy, but you're not. So, anytime, what can people do to help maybe boost their mood a little bit?
Yes. So thinking of your leisure activities is a great start of what you enjoy, what you like to do for fun, but also ways that you can express yourself, whether that's like doing something physical activity, something creative expression. Just reaching out for help in any way is really important, leaning on your support system and not waiting until things get too rough.
Sure. And so let's talk about those support systems too.
Yeah.
So someone you love is struggling. What can we do to help them?
Definitely just talking with them, asking them what they can do to help. A lot of times we try to help our loved ones, but that might not be the right type of help that they need. So really asking them what they can do to help, maybe doing something with them, like we talked about those coping skills and stress management techniques, maybe doing that with them so they're not alone doing it. Things are typically easier if you have your support person to do it with you. It makes it a little bit more fun that way as well.
Absolutely. Always got to, we got somebody with you to help you. That's makes us that much stronger, correct? Right?
Yeah, absolutely.
But what about people who maybe feel like they don't have anyone, or maybe someone's struggling more than they'd like to be, and need a little intervention? How can Forest View help?
So Forest View, we have a lot of different treatment options. So it's important to figure out what the best treatment option is for you. We have inpatient program, we have an outpatient program as well, and that is the outpatient program is also available through Zoom. So if you are out of the area, we help you in that way as well.
So how do you determine what kind of help would be best suited for what patient?
The best thing that you can do is call Forest View and have an assessment with one of the clinicians to really see what's going on and again what we can do to help you, and then they can kind of help you through that process of what the best options might be for you.
Okay, perfect. All right. And if people want to get a hold of you, people want to reach out, what do they need to know?
You can visit forestview.com and call us at our phone number.
Okay, yeah, and the phone number, of course, right there on your screen. It's 800-949-8439, and of course the website, forestviewhospital.com. Rachel, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much.
We'll be right back.